hands in the motherfucking air.
Hey guys, so here is the final look with all the products in the Boxycharm and then one product that was not in the Boxycharm. Let's talk about this palette here. This, it's called Nightingale by Pretty Vulgar. It's an eyeshadow palette, obviously. I really like the packaging. It's really cute. I like that there's a mirror in it. Feels pretty good. It's not like cheap or anything. The colors, they were not super pigmented, but it was just enough pigment to be able to build and use the colors light or dark, whichever you choose. I don't think you could go wrong with mixing this with this or this with this or this with this. You know what I mean? Like, you can mix every single color in this palette and still have a nice eyeshadow look at the end of it, I think. So that's how I feel about that. Let's get to these brushes. So these are the Alamar brush trio that I received in my box. They're a nice, pretty, bright green color with almost like a rosy gold metal topper to it. Overall, these brushes were pretty average. I mean, nothing too amazing. A blending brush, it's really awesome. I just would have liked for it to not be squashed when I received it. So when I was trying to blend my eyeshadow, you can kind of see here, it's rather smushed. You see how there when I'm turning it, it's full how it's supposed to be, and I turn it again and it's squashed? That was a little annoying, I must say. I just wish it were not squashed, but I'm sure if it wasn't squashed, it would have been a 10 out of 10 for me. The other two, this I feel like will be a great crease defining brush. It's really flat, it's a small head. Looks like it'd work really well for even carving your eyebrows out too. This flat brush right here, I used this to kind of blend out my eyebrows, and I mean, like I said, average. It worked, it was great. Nothing special, but I'm still really super excited that I got these in my box. They're great. So this product here, the Laura Geller Baked Blush. I'm absolutely obsessed with Laura Geller products. I use a lot of Laura Geller on a daily basis, and this blush is one of my go-tos, especially for my makeup applications that I do on other people. For some reason, I have never owned this blush, and well, until now. But it is one of my absolute favorites from them. Moving on to this lip gloss here. This is a Hank & Henry Beauty. I really think this packaging is super cool. I don't know if this is done purposely or not, but if you turn it this way, it looks like a lipstick, like an actual lipstick. But then obviously it's not, it's a gloss. My first impression of this was it smelled so good. I was like, girl, this is amazing. The application itself went really well. I just wasn't crazy about the fact that the brush head was kind of oddly shaped to me. I mean, this would have worked really, really well for me if I had big lips, but I overlined my lips, so this was a little bit tough to work with, but honestly, like, I am digging what, you know, what all occurred here on my lips from this application with this brush head. Like, normally I define my Cupid's bow really, really sharp and make it like pointed, but with this brush, I was not able to do that. And honestly, I think I prefer what this looks like. My overall impression, I really like this color. I really like the formula. Feels really good on my lips, not drying me out or anything or making my lips feel strange. I'm just really impressed with this. I really dig it. Let's see if I'm forgetting anything at all. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I was forgetting something, and I realized why I forgot about it. It's because I threw it across the room. It's this guy here by Butter London. Can you see that? Yeah. The Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. It was anything but a stroke of wow. It was a stroke of bullshit, honestly. I didn't like it at all. I think the concept was kind of cool to make it easier to apply eyeliner, but to me it was not easy at all. It was very frustrating to the point where I did throw it, and now I literally cannot find it, which I don't really care because I'm not going to be using it. The formula does seem like it's pretty good. I mean, I did roll it on my hand to kind of see what that brush was all about, and it's not really budging. I mean, that's great, but I really hated the way that went on and the way that it just, the way it looked, everything, just no, big no. Overall, just kind of in between not a favorite and very pleased. I was pleased, but it wasn't like screaming, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I will get my shit together a little bit better within the next couple weeks and start to put out a little bit more content for you guys, if you even care. If not, cool, I don't really mind either way. But yeah, hopefully I see you guys in the next video, and hopefully that's soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!